In this video, I'm going to show you how I do an alternate way of starting the stitch. Typically, when you start a stitch on a sewing machine, here's your needle and here's the edge of the fabric. Most people start it like 1/8 of an inch in, go forward some, backstitch, and then go forward. What I do is I go ahead and start about 1/2 inch in, lower my presser foot, then go backwards, and then go forward. I use this method on especially my sports and lycra and spandex fabric. It keeps the machine from eating the material. That's what it looks like. And then I clean off the thread tails. And I've got a nice start to a seam.